to my video. Thank you for taking the time to view it today. I just want to introduce myself. I'm Fritz. I'm just an average guy trying to live an above average life. But anyway, I want to show you today how you can make some real spendable money fast, quick, and in a hurry. Put it in your wallet today. Spend it literally tomorrow. So without further ado, as they all like to say, let's get into it. You're probably all familiar with this page. That's why you're here. We all want to learn to earn money from home. How to make money online fast. Here's the ads. Earn money from home, $14 an hour. Make money fast online, $35 per survey. TikTok for business. Let's just know that. Here we go. $100 an hour doing this. Get paid to like videos. How I made $3 grand in a week. Earned $762 in free PayPal money, and on and on and on and on. Which is why we're all here, I guess, today. Or actually, I'm here to show you how you can actually make some real money today. So, what you have to do is first, you want to go to this website called Coinbase.com. I've included a description and a link down below, but it brings you to this page right here. And what you want to do is sign up and create an account. Put in your email. Click Get Started. Brings up this page. Put in your email, your name, your password. I've already created an account, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in so that we can show you guys how you can make some money today. There's my two-step authentication. We're going to go ahead and type in the number they sent us on our phone and verify that. And that's going to go ahead and take us over here to the home page of Coinbase. And as you can see right here, the first thing up on top is Earn Rewards. Get $109. I told you guys, I guess you clicked on a thumbnail that says $47 an hour, $49 an hour, or something like that. So anyway, let's see how we can go about doing that. We go over here and we click on Rewards, and it takes us down here to an area called Coinbase Earn. And you can see here that I've completed 13 of 15 lessons. It shows my rewards as being $29. Actually, I had a higher reward amount. I had $47, which is why the thumbnail says that. I did a similar survey on Tezos, this particular cryptocurrency here, that is no longer available, and that so they're not showing that reward on there. But still, yet there's an opportunity to make some quick money right here. As you can see, what it is they show you. You can learn how to you can learn how these specific assets work, and then they give you a little quiz to earn some money. The quiz is just to make sure that you actually watch the video. Here you can see when I started first with EOS, which is a cryptocurrency. And, I've already completed these, so you can see what I earned $2 in 3 minutes for watching this video and answering a brief survey. Couple, 2 or 3 questions, I think it was. Here I earned $2 in 3 minutes. Same thing. Watched a video and answered a couple of questions. $2 in 2 minutes there. Here I earned $2 in 3 minutes and $2 in 2 minutes. So for EOS, I earned a total of $10 in 13 minutes. And as soon as that was completed, it was deposited to my account. You can, let me see if I can find it here in my wallet. EOS, it should show right here where I received EOS $1.99, received $1.99, received $1.99, received $2, received $1.99, all from EOS. So that was how that worked out. Then there's also a Stellar Lumens, which is, again, another form of cryptocurrency. Same thing. Watch some videos, answer a couple of questions. Here I earned $2 in 2 minutes, $2 in 3 minutes, $2 in 2 minutes, $2 in 3 minutes, and $2 in 3 minutes, for a total of $10 again in 13 minutes for learning about Stellar Lumens and showing that I paid attention to the videos. You can go over here to my portfolio, my wallet again. We can go down here to, what was that, Compound, and you can see where I received $3 from Compound. Nope, that was wrong one. We did EOS first, then we did, what was our next one? Lumens. Forgive me, people. Old man, bad memory. But anyway, you see here, right here, I earned $1.99 from Stellar Lumens. I earned $1.97 from Stellar Lumens. And on for a total of, well, apparently $8 from Stellar Lumens. Nope, there it is. First one. I didn't have them all signed up or lined up. $2, $1.99, $1.97, $1.98, $1.99. And you can see here where I simply converted my Stellar Lumens to Bitcoin. I'll show you that in just a few minutes. So we'll go back over here now. Actually, we didn't need to go back. We could have just simply gone to rewards again. And same thing with another currency called Compound. And you can see here where I earned $3 in 3 minutes, $3 in 3 minutes, and $3 in 3 minutes, all on just watching a brief, obviously less than 3-minute video and answering a couple of questions. Back to the portfolio, you can see on Compound that we had a quick look at previously that I received $2.98, $2.98, $2.98. Close enough to $3 that I'm not going to complain. So, back to the earn rewards, which now that actually is a total of $29 that you've earned in 35 minutes. You can quickly go over and convert all of that, all of those various assets to Bitcoin, which you can see here. I converted my EOS to Bitcoin, I converted my Stellar to Bitcoin, and I converted my Compound to Bitcoin, which actually I think this was EOS. This is Stellar, and I believe this is Compound, which actually compounded. It grew in value prior to me converting it, and it went from $9 to $12. So I actually made some money with that investment as well. Now then, there's also an additional way you can earn some more money. You can go down here at the bottom, and I've attached a link in the description below. Please go to the website via the link, and you'll help me out as well as yourself. But when you invite your friends, and there's no limit on the number of friends here. You can invite 1, you can invite 10, you can invite 100. And when they buy or sell $100 of crypto, then you and them both will get a free $10 Bitcoin reward. So be sure to sign up your friends. Be sure to sign up as my friend so that I can get $10. And then when you sell $100 of crypto, you'll get $10. And when you invite friends, you'll also get $10 when they do the same. And thing is, you're halfway there. You've already got $29 in crypto that you can sell. You can get an additional, here's the bonus, everyone. You can get an additional $40 in EOS when you invite 4 friends just to come and get their free $10. So be sure to invite your friends once you've signed up and got your money. Invite your friends, tell them it's real, and sign them up. I'd also like for you to use my link to sign up. We all can use friends. Help me out. Let me get my $40. So I've attached the link in the description below. Click on it. It says, for the EOS, I'll just click on, the link for EOS and sign up there and get your free $10. There's another link down below that you can click and invite your friends to do the same thing with Stellar. I'll attach a link in the description below. Please help me out. So go to Coinbase via the link below, register an account. Please come back and go to the EOS application for me. Earn your $10. Come back, earn your $10. I'll go to the Stellar application for me. Earn your $10. Help me make my 40. Let's share the love. Be sure to share with your friends. Be sure to subscribe and like if you found some value here. If this is real and true and you think other people need to hear about it, please share in the comments below. Keep sharing the love. Check back with me. Remember, this is Fritz, just an average guy trying to live an above average life. Keep sharing the love, everybody.